name is Timo Cools. I'm a product designer at Festool. I'm responsible for product exteriors. My name is Boris Seifried. I work in product management at Festool. Our work truly covers a vast range of tasks. The turntable can be rotated 60 degrees in either direction, and we can tilt to either side. My name is Gerhard Grabing. I'm responsible for testing, and with the KS60, it was important from the outset to know what is the actual focus of the product, what's important, what do customers want, what's the priority. Excellent cutting and precision, that's important, and we've accomplished that. If a flooring installer has long pieces that he needs to cut, he can now simply take a sustainer, which is the same height as the table. He can essentially turn the sustainer into a support table. We've also incorporated an LED spotlight, which really does always show the precise shadow cast by the saw blade. The saw's compact and has everything you need on a construction site. Above all, it also offers unique handling. If you go back to the customer for feedback and they tell you, "I'm happy to give you my feedback, but you can't take the machine. I need it for my day-to-day work now," then that's confirmation that we're on the right track. Built with passion, built for you. The new KAPEX KS60 sliding compound mitre saw.